No quema. I was right. Hey, what's going on, guys? So this week on the YouTube channel, I'm going to be uploading a bunch of content that I had filmed before but never got around to uploading on the channel. So on this video, we're going to be test fitting the speed engineering traction bars on the red RST, which didn't fit, and I don't know what I'm going to do with them. As well as we're going to be installing the RST wheels and RST brakes on my old white RST clone, which is now owned by my friend Eddie. It's actually a really good video. Not sure why I didn't upload it, but yeah, check it out and enjoy. It turns out that we're gonna do the traction bar install at Eddie's shop, same place where we did the 6-liter swap. Everything's in here, nice and secure. We do an oil change as well, and I'm gonna give him the stock RST brakes for the other truck, and he's gonna run the stock RST wheels for a bit too. So stay tuned. Let's finish this. Alright guys, so we're here at the shop now with Eddie Baller. Say hi, Eddie.
Hello.
Oh, there you go. He's in a good mood today. And once again, we're here with both RSTs. And we're gonna finish this mission, which is installing the traction bars by Speed Engineering. So here they are, all nicely disassembled. As you can see, there's my oil filter because I'm doing an oil change as well. Here it is, everything's nice and red except this right bar because Eddie thought it was too clean, so he put his oily hands on it. But yeah, finish this up. It's right there, and then here's the instructions, by the way. Super horrible. It doesn't even have pictures. Like, how am I supposed to figure this out? But whatever. I'll put it up on the lift and we'll test it out. All right, guys. So today's video, we're gonna be finishing up the RST with the OEM RST wheels and the OEM front RST brakes. As you know, we got the 4.8 in. Has the JBA wires, JBA headers with that rust mod. And it's basically a complete truck now. Minus the cab badges apparently. Which we can get eventually.
Some people need cab badges.
Yes, some people don't need those. I need them, they're over there. Boom. But yeah, we'll get going. Eddie's already taking off the wheels and yeah, start mounting them. Alright guys, potential issue. So, yeah, already, dude. We haven't even started. So we have drop hangers on this truck, and then these little tiny things right here, they go like that. It's like the spring. Actually, let me see if I can reach it. Yeah, definitively an issue. Look at that. Doesn't even make it in there. So the hangers make it so I can't install these traction bars. That was fun. Okay guys, you have drop hangers, no Speed Engineering, traction bars for you. That's a bummer. This was gonna look cool. Well, maybe next time. Oh man. And this truck doesn't have Brembos anymore. Sad, but yeah, all the wheels are off. Here's our C-notch that Chui did, once again. Pretty clean. And yeah, everything's in there, everything's off. Oh, someone had a little bit of fun. Well, it's unmelted. All right, guys, after about 10 tries, Eddie was finally able to take off the caliper bit.
Yeah, because you soaked this thing in water. I don't know why.
Gotta be safe.
Soft arms, dude. That's
Yeah,
what happens.
soft. These are hard arms right here.
Gotta be safe.
Dang.
Not anymore.
These are off. Non-fitted shirt.
Okay.
But yeah, the wheels are now mounted on the tires. That's cool. Also took about 2 hours. Should have filmed it.
Yeah, that would have been comedy right there.
Yeah, dude.
Don't step on the brakes, alright? Huh? Don't step on the brakes right now, whenever you get on.
Brake bleeding time. There we go. Nice and red. With the RST wheels out back. Of course, they're not on all the way because I didn't bring the right lug nuts. But it's almost done. Alright guys, so we're on our way back to the shop with the correct lug nuts. Well guys, I think we found a nice RST to steal. What do you think?
I think we are gonna jack it.
Yeah, let's jack it, 100%. We're gonna steal your truck.
Let's do it.
Cool.
Are you gonna open this? Get the strap.
What's your brother doing?
Bro.
You almost killed Josh again?
Yeah.
Thought they were gonna drop me.
The whole thing's fucking went.
Wow, let's check it out. Dude, I guarantee you those calipers are like crooked, man. Dang. Hey, Raul, why is the truck so crooked?
No, I think Edward may have dropped it. High possibility.
It's okay, we don't need it.
Trying to kill me, man.
Try to kill you
I'm all
again.
bleeding the brakes, pumping the brakes on there and shit. Fucking lowering it. She's going like sideways.
Yeah, all the cocks. What do you mean a BMW?
Yeah, you're going home, bro.
I'm going home, dude. No. You guys are gonna get home.
We're using Ray.
Yeah, so these boy geniuses have 2 seats, but there's 3 of them.
Someone's going skiing, boys.
I'm not. I don't know. I don't know. You guys are...
Passenger, bro. Driver.
I'll walk home.
Uber,
It's pretty good. Dude, you can just go to that one girl's house, dude.
True. Which one? Down the street.
You tell your friends to come over to help you work on the truck. It's typically what happens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nobody works on it except for the guy.
Yeah.
I'm supervising, making sure truck is all off
I'm documenting progress. Will Eddie destroy his fender? Find out next time.
On part 3. Ray. Your thing's staying here.
Oh, it made it. No, my socket is not staying here.
Dude, your socket is staying here.
I need it.
That shit's stuck on the rim, bro. What?
Oh, it actually looks really good with these wheels.
It really does.
Do the brakes work? Yeah. Y'all really need to stop cussing, guys. You're gonna get me demonetized. I'm not gonna get my $5, okay? If only YouTube paid a livable wage, I'd still have a job. Nice. No quema. I was right. Alright guys, so if you're local here to SoCal, I do have the traction bars. They don't fit. I know they don't fit with the ground force hangers because of this little thing like I showed you guys. But it's a brand new kit. This isn't meant for flip kits, so you have like a 6-inch drop or more. These won't fit. But if you look at your hanger and the leaf spring is exposed, unlike mine, then you can use this. So you have like a 2-4 drop with like a Beltec or a Magahi's hanger or your stock height. And you need some traction bars, let me know. And, oh, what are the cats doing? And I'll let these go for $300. They're brand new. All I did was literally open them and put that up to the truck and found out they don't fit. And yeah, now I need to get rid of them because I'm not going to go with new hangers or anything like that. And, wow, this guy's going insane. Look at him. His little hands. And, yeah, so if you're local to SoCal and you're interested, let me know. $300. I'll meet up with you guys if you're within reasonable distance. And yeah, and I guess for shipping too, I mean, I don't think it'll be too much. So if you want them shipped, let me know. I would have to wrap them though, that way they don't get damaged. So stock height, 2-4 drop or shackle drop should be good to go. Or if you're, as long as you have the Beltec or Magahi's hangers. So make sure you check so yours aren't like mine, and because that's on you. And yeah. And one last look before we go. It's still kind of lower, I think. Once again, 5.8 drop for those of you guys that don't know. RST brakes, RST wheels. Basically everything. Gotta love how this color just gleams. But yeah, this is just a preliminary setup. He is gonna go with 24-inch intros. And a narrow diff amongst probably boosts because he's a savage. But first he's gotta finish his Corvette, which is almost done. 1,000 horsepower, 454 LSX, YSI car. Yeah, well, we're predicting a 1,000 horsepower, so we'll see. But once that's done, then he's gonna get going on this. His Instagram is at 80baller. It doesn't say baller for nothing, as you will see. So if you guys aren't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.